te whānau o toy time. Oh, it's time for one of my favourite sounds in the whole world. Whakarongo mai. It's the Toy Time Trumpets. Hoa ke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure when you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora koutou, and welcome to Toy Time. I'm Riki, and I work as a vet. Vets are like doctors, but for animals. Ooh. Huh. Bum, 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 bum. Ah, what a lovely, strong heartbeat you have, Rupert.
Kia ora. Ko Maia tōku ingoa. I'm a police officer and my job is to keep everyone safe. I scream, you scream, we all scream for
Ice cream.
Anei,
Ooh, there you go.
ngā mihi. Kia ora, ko Jojo aho, and my job is to make, you guessed it, ice creams.
Wow, sweet job.
Ha, you're right.
Thanks, Jojo. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help today?
there are a lot of jobs that grown-ups can do. What jobs can a kid do?
When they're old enough, kids can deliver newspapers or work in a cafe. And once they turn 14, they can work as a babysitter.
Oh, they all sound like great jobs.
Kids can also help out by doing chores at home. Things like washing dishes, folding washing, or vacuuming.
I just had the best idea. Let's make a list of jobs and then turn it into a chore chart to keep the Toy Time house spick and span. Okay, let's see. Dishes, washing, vacuuming. Hey, Ricky, Jojo, I've got your jobs ready for you.
We're a team, we can conquer anything. We can clean up all our toys. Being helpful can be choice. We're a team, we can conquer anything. Look at all we've done. Who knew working hard was so much fun? When you grow up, what will you do? You could fight fires or work at the zoo. Until then, let's all help out with our whānau to clean the house. We're a team, we can conquer anything. We can clean up all our toys. Being helpful can be choice. We're a team, we can conquer anything. Look at all we've done. Who knew working hard was so much fun? When you want to play, work can be hard.
Kia ora, and welcome to Riki's Rawsome Vet Clinic. How can I help? Of course, bring your pet right in. Kia ora, and welcome to Riki's Rawsome Vet Clinic.
Oh, hello. I spoke to you on the phone. I think it's my pet. He's sick.
Oh, well, pop him up here and I'll take a look. Oh.
I've been so worried. He's my best friend in the whole world. We do everything together.
What's his name?
Sir Jumps a Lot.
Well, what a lovely pet flea you have. You know, he's very small, but luckily I have good eyesight.
So, is there anything you can do to help him?
Let's take a look. Something is definitely bugging Sir Jumps a Lot, but this might help. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Sir Jumps a Lot!
Oh!
Oh, it looks like we're going for a walk. Or should I say, a jump. Better hop to it. Thank you, Vet Ricky. Bye.
See you, Maya. Ka kite. Kia ora, and welcome to Riki's Rawsome Vet Clinic. How can I help?
Whoa there, Thunder. Stop horsing around. My horse Thunder needs a checkup, please.
Oh, well, of course. Let's take a look. Okay. He's got a good, strong heartbeat, healthy teeth, and his eyes are bright and clear. His legs are a little short.
Oh, how long should a horse's leg be?
Long enough to reach the ground.
What do you recommend?
Some gentle stretches would be good, but otherwise, Thunder's perfectly healthy. Do you live far from here?
No, we live just next door.
Guess that makes us neighbors.
I guess so. Thanks, Vet Ricky. Bye.
See ya.
Walk on.
Man, it feels great to help creatures, big or small. I love them all.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're doing some mahi at the farm. Good dog treats. O ake tātou. Oh, check it out. This is Puti, the nane kote. Oh, sorry. One takai. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Eat him up, eat him up, eat him up. You like a little squidge, don't you? Oh, he's got big ears. One of the jobs you have to do on the farm is feed the whānau. Come here, whānau. Come here, my mate. And you too, hey. Everyone gets a kite. Share it around. All right, we got some more jobs to do. Hey, I'll see you soon. Check it out, my cuzzies. Ko Honey tēnei. She is a beautiful hoiho. Mwah, mwah, mwah. The thing about hoihos, though, is you have to pick up their doo-doo. Ooh, last job of the day, move some hay. Oh, that was a big day of mahi on the farm. Oh, I need a rest. Ka kite anō, whānau.
Morning, peeps. I'm Auntie Anika, and this is my piggy bank. Titiro. Do you know what's making that sound? Money! Lots and lots of money! Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. One of the ways you can actually earn money is by busking. Buskers perform out in public, and if people like it, they can give them money. Watch this. Toy Time is the coolest show on TV. Hello.
Kia ora.
Yay! Toy Time is the coolest show on TV. Thank you so much, Jojo.
No, thank you, Auntie Anika.
Bye. Yes, got the money. Put that in there. I've been putting my money in here and saving up for weeks. Now it's time to go shopping. Let's go.
A, B, C. Yes. And, yeah, put the giraffe in the back over there, please. Cool.
Yes.
Tama, looking at yourself in the mirror again.
Sure am, Buzz. It's a full-time job looking this good.
Oh, does that mean you're too busy for Takaro time?
Takaro time? I'm never too busy for Takaro time.
Ooh.
Oh, Buzz the Builder.
Yeah. Want to be Tama the Builder too? And you can help me build a fort.
Well, I don't know. I just did my hair. Just jokes. I look great in a helmet.
Okay,
Let's go.
Kia ora te whānau, it's Takaro time! And ta-da! I've built us a fort.
A fort? Karawe.
I've finished building it. Now I need your help to make it cozy.
This is awesome. I know exactly what to do, Buzz.
Okay.
Dino stool.
Dino stool! All right, we can put that down over here. That'll be nice. Oh, and this pīwaiwaka. That can be our kaitiaki. They can go
I
up
have
here.
a friend for Mr. Pīwaiwaka.
Double kaitiaki.
Double kaitiaki.
Okay, beautiful.
Oh.
Here we go.
As you can see, I have this beautiful lighting system.
Oh,
if you just
nice,
help me
cool.
up here, very
We'll just
intricate.
pick that up. All right.
Just pick it on like so.
Hey, Tama.
What?
What did the hut say to the shelter?
What?
Thought I might see you here.
Okay, I have a surprise for you.
All right, here we go. Close my eyes.
Toru, rua, tai.
Whoa! Ooh, pretty. After you, sir, please make yourself at home.
Woo. Ah, are you coming in, Buzz the Builder?
I sure am, you big ham. Here I go. Oh, cozy.
Now, whatever you do, don't fart. Oh,
Oh, sorry, Tama. Sorry,
I
Tama.
need some air.
Oh,
it's meant to be Takaro time, not Patero time.
This is our Pacifico group. We like playing the drums and dancing. It's actually called a pate. Hallelujah. We play in between the songs. That tells the Pacifica group to get ready. I like most is the dancing. We love being in the sub-cup group.
Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round.
unicycle down the road that just had one wheel. I saw a bicycle with two, now that sounds much more ideal. I think a tricycle has 3 wheels, no less and no more. I've never seen a quadcycle, I guess that has 4. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. Scooters have just 2 wheels, which I think is just great. Rollerblades have 4 wheels, each a total of 8. 4 wheels on a car when we all go for a drive. Trains have like 1,365,000. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. Show me all the wheels that you have found.
Oh, Maya's chore list is very long, Wolfie. We better get to work.
Ka pai, Oma. Oh, what should we do first?
Hey, let's start with sweeping the floors.
Yay! Woohoo! Sweep, sweep, sweep. This is fun.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I think the windows need a clean, Oma.
Oh, tika tau, Wolfie.
Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. You.
And it's time to hang out the washing.
Oh yeah, my favorite. Woohoo! Oh.
Woohoo! Ah, hana. Kua oti te mahi, Wolfie. Woohoo!
Work with you feels a lot like play, Oma.
Oh, tau cute, Wolfie. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, chee-hoo. Yole, yole. When I used to go to school, I was quite popular, I was quite cool. Shucks. I had a knack, a specialty, everybody wanted to see. I was a gumbo thrower. Let me show you how to do it, eh? Here. You gotta warm up your body. Stretch your muscles tenderly. And hold your gumboot oh so tight, then throw it with all of your might. I was a gumboot thrower. I used to practice every day. You should go in the Olympics, it's what they'd say. Who, me? Shucks. Well, everybody wanted to know and to watch a true champion throw. I was a gumboot thrower. Let me show you how to do it, eh? You gotta warm up your body. Stretch your muscles tenderly. And hold your gumboot oh so tight, then throw it with all of your might. I was a gumboot thrower. Oh, that's 10, 11, 12 metres. Oh, Olympics 2026, here I come. You're late. It's time to play What's in the Box? Okay, Ricky, it's time to put your ringa-ringa in the poaka and find out what's in the box.
Okay, here goes. Ooh, a stack. They're small and round and metal. Oh, are they coins?
Aye. They are coins. Do you know what type of coins they are?
They're gold and they have the word $1 on the front. So these are $1 coins?
Yes, you're right. And how many are there?
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. 5. $5 coins. So $5.
Ai, rima tara, $5. What else is in the box?
There's more? Ooh, okay. Ooh, this one feels like paper, but plasticky. Ooh, is it more money, but a note this time?
Ai, right again, Ricky.
Whoa. This one has a picture of a mountain and a man's face.
That's Sir Edmund Hillary. He was the first person to climb to the top of Mount Everest.
Whoa, a mountain climber. That sounds like a cool job. And this one has the number 5 on it. Rima again.
Ai, rima tara, a $5 note.
Hey, I just noticed. We have $5 as a note, and we have 5 $1 coins. We're rich.
Ai, and you know what that means, Ricky?
What?
Ice blocks are on you. Race you to the dairy.
Yo. Oh. Maya, I'm coming.
Tama wears his rugby boots for kicking. Jojo wears her gumboots in the rain. Maya wears her dancing shoes for when she wants to dance away the blues. Feet can wear so many shoes. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. What can we wear on our feet? Listen as we're dancing to the beat. Jandals are the best on really hot days. Slippers keep my feet so nice and warm. Sneakers, sandals, high-heeled boots. I can wear some ice skates if I choose. Feet can wear so many shoes. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. What can we wear on our feet? Listen as we're dancing. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. What can we wear on our feet? Listen as we're dancing to the beat.
I want to be a firefighter. Stand back while I put out this fire and save the day. Or maybe an artist. Hold still while I paint your portraits. Or a race car driver. There are so many cool things you can be. I can't decide. Hey, Mohill,
Kia ora, Jojo. How can I help?
what shall I be?
You can do lots of different things, Jojo, but the best thing you can be is you.
Me?
Yes, there's only one you in the whole world.
You're right. Thanks, Mohill.
Anytime, Jojo.
I'm going to be Jojo, the firefighting, car racing artiste. And then I'm going to be a pilot. After that, I'm going to be a florist, then a zoologist, then a beekeeper, and then a mama.
What a beautiful day for a hop, Sir Jumps-a-Lot.
Nice flea. He looks pretty hoppy to be outside.
He is. Oh, and what a lovely horse you have.
I know. Walk on.
Every day we help with chores. We empty the dishwasher. There's so many dishes. Sometimes we run out of room. Everything gets put in a special place. We have used we are finished. We're nearly finished. Now put it in the sink. I'll leave some for Dad. Dad loves dishes.
Good cleaning up.
Time to play! Bye!
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about the Taj Mahal. In the cozy living room of their home in Kirikiriroa, Arya and Rohan listen to their grandparents, Nani and Nanu, share the legend of the Taj Mahal. Nani began. Long ago in the land of India, there lived a great emperor named Shah Jahan. He loved his wife Mumtaz very much. When Mumtaz passed away, Shah Jahan was heartbroken. In her memory, he decided to build the most beautiful building the world had ever seen. The Taj Mahal is like magic, Nani explained, with its white marble walls that glow in the moonlight, reflecting their love. But how do they build it? Rohan asked. Nanu chuckled. They had hundreds of elephants help carry the marble. It took many skilled craftsmen and years of hard work. Arya sighed. What a beautiful way to remember someone you love. But you know, said Nanu, there are many ways to show someone you love them, like spending time together and telling stories, just like this. Arya and Rohan hugged their grandparents, thankful for little moments like this. Thanks for listening. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa. Enohora, ka kite ano.